What's going on, guys? Here with another truck video, maybe not specifically a truck video, but in this video, as you can probably tell by the title, we're going to be taking a look at Husky floor liners. One of the things I've been doing for the last few years is buying Husky floor liners. I've always liked WeatherMat or WeatherTech, but Huskies are generally a little bit cheaper, and I find them to fit just as well. And yeah, let's maybe take a look at these. So over here, I got my Husky box, and we flip it around. If you don't buy these just for the dog on the back, we're probably not going to get along. So let's pop this open and take a look at what we have here. We got our rear mat. Looks like we've got a driver's side mat here. And then our passenger side mat. So we have our mats here. As you can see, Huskies are guaranteed for life, so they have a lifetime warranty. They are form fit. They should fit your car, as is. And then they do use these to fit like the little hooks that hold the floor mats in place, so they do hold in place. Also, to help them hold in place, they have the little prong type things here on the back side, as you can see there. I will say that the material used on these are less rubbery than I've seen for WeatherTech. That is something that somebody may or may not like, but I've never had any real wear show on these. I use them in my Cherokee. I've used them in cars before that. They just work really well. So I'm going to go throw these in my truck. We're going to see how they fit, and I'll give you my first impressions. Again, this is just kind of to help people who are looking at floor mats. I think Huskies are generally a little bit cheaper. Help them point them in the right direction. So let's go put these in and let's take a look. Alright, so first things first, over here on the driver's side, they do fit really nice. They did just come in a box, so they'll probably take a little bit of time to kind of fit all the way in there, but as you can see, they're laser cut, they fit well. They do have an edge all the way around, so they do trap moisture and snow and stuff in the winter that we see here in Wisconsin. If we look over there, same deal. They just look really nice in here. We'll go back to the back. And it's the same thing. This one is folded up, so it will take probably a little bit to kind of seat its way down, but fits real nice. Laser etch. The only thing I'm not huge on is getting to the storage area down here. It's going to make things a little difficult, but it does open that way, so that might not be the end of the world for us.
Have you any idea why?
Alright guys, so there you have it, the Husky floor liners. Like I said, I get them because they're just a little bit cheaper than WeatherTech's. I think WeatherTech's for my truck were about $240, and the Husky liners were about $130. So I saved about $100. And really, they form fit really nice. They're maybe a not so soft kind of material, but that doesn't bother me. I mean, my feet go on it, and my feet are in shoes, so I don't care too much. They are a very nice option. I really do like them in my truck. I've liked them in my Jeep. I think I had them in my mom's Jeep. I've had them in a few different vehicles that my family's owned. So definitely, if you're trying to take a look at them, check them out. They are, again, guaranteed for life, and they are pretty nice. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments down below, and I'll do the best that I can do to answer them. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video.